Hello children, I hope you are all happy and healthy today. Welcome to this special English hour where we will learn a lot of new things and have lots of fun. नमस्ते बच्चों, I hope आप सब स्वस्थ और तंदुरुस्त हैं। आज के इस स्पेशल इंग्लिश आवर में आप सबका स्वागत है। यहाँ हम बहुत सारी नई चीजें सीखेंगे और खूब मस्ती करेंगे। So, are you all ready? Let's go. Now, I would request all of you to please stand up and join me in this session song. आप सब प्लीज खड़े हो जाइए और मेरे साथ ये गाना गाइए। Follow my actions and enjoy the music.
Can you all show me how to walk? Yes! Left, right, left, left, right, left. Come on, let's sing it again. 1, 2, 3, and go! Do you wonder, do you wonder, how do we walk? How do we walk? First left and then right, first left and then right, left, right, left, left, right, left.
I hope you enjoyed singing and dancing with me today. Now, I would like to ask you a few questions. You have to think and answer. अब मैं आपको कुछ सवाल पूछना चाहती हूँ। आपको सोचकर उसका जवाब देना है। Children, how many days do we have in a week? एक हफ्ते में कितने दिन होते हैं? Yes, there are 7 days in a week. एक हफ्ते में 7 दिन होते हैं। Can you tell me the names of the days? वो दिन के नाम बता सकते हैं आप? Correct. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Great. Now children, which of these days do we have a holiday in school? इनमें से कौन से दिन हमें स्कूल में छुट्टी होती है? Yes, it's on a Sunday. What do you like to do on a Sunday? आपको रविवार को क्या करना पसंद है? I like to play with my friends. I also go out for dinner with my parents. And then I sleep up very early for the next day. मुझे दोस्तों के साथ खेलना पसंद है, मेरे मम्मी पापा के साथ खाना पसंद है और फिर मैं जल्दी से सो जाती हूँ संडे को. I hope you were able to answer most of my questions. Now, I would like to read a poem to you which is about days of the week. I would request all of you to open your My English Book 3 to page number 15. आप सबके पास अगर इंग्लिश टेक्स्ट बुक है तो पेज नंबर 15 खोलिए. You have to point the words as I read. If you don't have a textbook, please listen carefully. आपको आपकी उंगली उन शब्दों पे रखनी है जो मैं पढ़ रही हूँ. अगर आपके पास टेक्स्ट बुक नहीं है तो आप ध्यान से सुन सकते हैं. Aren't these some wonderful images, children? And look at the 7 days that we spoke about. Now, let's read the poem and see what it has to say. Solomon Grundy, born on a Monday, christened on Tuesday, married on Wednesday, took ill on Thursday, worse on Friday, died on Saturday, buried on Sunday. That was the end of Solomon Grundy. Solomon Grundy, born on a Monday. सोलोमन ग्रंडी का जन्म हुआ सोमवार को. क्रिस्टीन्ड ऑन ट्यूसडे, उनका नामकरण हुआ मंगलवार को. मैरिड ऑन वेडनेसडे, उनकी शादी हुई बुधवार को. टुक इल ऑन थर्सडे, वो बीमार हो गए गुरुवार को. वर्स ऑन फ्राइडे, उनकी हालत बहुत खराब हो गई शुक्रवार को. डाइड ऑन सैटरडे, वो मर गए शनिवार को. बरीड ऑन संडे, उनको दफनाया गया रविवार को. That was the end of Solomon Grundy. सोलोमन ग्रंडी का अंत रविवार को हो गया. What did we learn from the poem? We saw how Solomon Grundy's entire life is shown. He was born on Monday and he was buried on Sunday. We also learnt the different names of the week. हमने कविता में देखा कि सोलोमन ग्रंडी की पूरी लाइफ वहां पे दिखाई गई थी. उन्होंने सोमवार को जन्म लिया और रविवार को उनको दफनाया गया. हमने सप्ताह के सारे दिन देखे. Very good, children. I hope you were able to answer most of my questions. Now, let's learn a few new words today. Our first word is born. 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 Rohit was born yesterday. I was born on a Thursday. Our second word is married. 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 My parents are happily married together. Asma was married in Kerala. Our third word is ill. 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 Ram was ill. We go to the doctor when we are ill. Our fourth word is end. 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 The movie will end in 10 minutes. I want to read the end. Our last word for today is buried. 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 Ram buried his dog under the tree. Solomon Grundy was buried on a Sunday. Now it's time for a fun activity. I will show you an image on the screen. Do you see this image? Yes, it's a train. We have to fill the bogie by writing the day of the week. आपकी स्क्रीन पे एक ट्रेन का इमेज है. हमें हर बोगी में हफ्ते का दिन लिखना है. We have to write the days in a sequence from the first day of the week to the last day of the week. हमें हफ्ते के दिन एक सही क्रमांक में लिखने हैं. फर्स्ट डे से पहले दिन से लेके लास्ट दिन तक. Let's take an example. The first bogie is Monday. Yes, the first day of the week is Monday. Can you try to fill the other days? Were you able to get it right? Let's have a look at the answers. The first day of the week is Monday. Monday. The second day of the week is Tuesday. Tuesday. The third day of the week is Wednesday. Wednesday. The fourth day of the week is Thursday. Thursday. The fifth day of the week is Friday. Friday. The sixth day of the week is Saturday. Saturday. The seventh and the last day of the week is Sunday. Sunday. I hope you were able to get most of the answers right. Great children! Now that we have learned all the 7 days of the week, let's do another activity. On your screen, you should be able to see a table. There are 3 columns on the table. We have to look at the 3 columns and fill in the answers. For example, let's look at the first one. It is given that before, yesterday was Tuesday. If yesterday was Tuesday, what is today? Yes, it is Wednesday. What will be tomorrow? Very good. It will be Thursday. हमें इस टेबल में खाली जगह भरनी है। पहला एग्जाम्पल दिया गया है कि अगर कल मंगलवार था तो आज कौन सा दिन है? यस, बुधवार है। और अगर आज बुधवार है तो आने वाला कल कौन सा दिन है? बिल्कुल, गुरुवार है। इसी तरीके से आपको सारे रोज फिल करने हैं। कोशिश करेंगे? I hope you were able to try. Let's look at the answers. If yesterday was Monday, then today is Tuesday. And tomorrow will be Wednesday. अगर कल सोमवार था तो आज मंगलवार होगा और आने वाला कल बुधवार होगा। Let's look at the second one. If yesterday was Wednesday, then today is Thursday. And tomorrow would be Friday. अगर कल बुधवार था तो आज गुरुवार होगा और आने वाला कल शुक्रवार होगा। Great! Let's look at the next one. If yesterday was Friday, then today is Saturday. And tomorrow would be Sunday. अगर कल शुक्रवार था तो आज शनिवार होगा और उसके आने वाला कल रविवार होगा। Let's look at the next one. If yesterday was Saturday, today is Sunday. And tomorrow would be Monday. अगर कल शनिवार था तो आज रविवार होगा और आने वाला कल सोमवार होगा। Last one, students. If yesterday was Sunday, then today is Monday. And tomorrow would be Tuesday. अगर कल रविवार था तो आज सोमवार है और आने वाला कल मंगलवार होगा। Great! I hope you were able to get most of the answers right. Now we will try and do something new. अब हम कुछ नया करेंगे. You will all follow my actions as I draw in the air. आप सबको मेरे actions follow करने हैं जैसे जैसे मैं कुछ draw करती हूँ. First, let's try to draw a circle. Draw a circle with your right hand. Very good. Now, draw a circle with your left hand. Yes, good. I hope it was fun. Now, it's time for you to sit back and relax while I tell you a wonderful story. Children, Have you ever felt afraid at night? Have you ever seen different things in dark? बच्चों, क्या आपको रात को कभी डर लगा है? अंधेरे में कुछ अलग अलग चीजें दिखाई दी है? I remember I was once very scared. Like you and me, there are two other girls who are also very scared. And they see different things. Do you want to know what happens next? मेरी और आपकी तरह और दो लड़कियां हैं जो बहुत डरी हुई है और अलग अलग चीजें देख रही है। क्या आप जानना चाहते हो आगे क्या होता है? Let me read a story to you. The name of the story is Shh. What's that? It is written by Sanjana Kapoor. Good night, Diya. Good night, Tara. Grandfather turns off the light. दादाजी तारा और दिया को गुड नाइट कह के लाइट्स बंद कर देते हैं। What was that noise? Tara looks at Diya and Diya looks at Tara. कुछ आवाजें आने लगी और दिया और तारा एक दूसरे को देखने लगे। ठक ठक ठक। Monster! Diya and Tara both hide under the blanket. What are we going to do now? Says Diya. अचानक से राक्षस के आने की आवाज आती है। दिया और तारा दोनों कंबल के अंदर छुप जाते हैं। अब हम क्या करेंगे? दिया डरते हुए कहती है। Let's scare it away, says Tara. With a monster of our own, the Scarfinator, says Diya. Who has this football head? Says Monster. दिया और तारा कहते हैं कि चलो हम खुद का एक राक्षस बनाकर उसको डरा देते हैं। वो राक्षस उसको देखकर कहता है, ये फुटबॉल जैसा सिर किसका है? I think we scared it, Diya says. Oh no! Look, it's coming up! Tara hides. तारा कहती है कि देखो हमने उसको भगा दिया। लेकिन फिर दिया को दिखता है कि अरे नहीं, वो तो राक्षस ऊपर आ रहा है और वो छुप जाती है। Whoosh, whoosh. Quick, get your sheets, Tara says. Where is the torch? Diya asks. Tara points at the street light. दिया कहती है जल्दी से अपनी चद्दर लेके आओ, हम एक चद्दर सूर बनाएंगे। तारा पूछती है लाइट कहाँ है? दिया स्ट्रीट लाइट की तरफ इशारा करती है। And I'll use the torch to make a chair a cabra with my raincoat. Diya says. Two monsters should definitely scare it away, thinks Tara. तारा कहती है कि वो अपने टॉर्च और रेनकोट का इस्तेमाल करके कुर्सी दानव बनाएगी। दो दानव देख के तो वो राक्षस डर ही जाएगा, सोचती है तारा। तारा waves her hand under the sheet to make huge shapes. तारा चद्दर के नीचे अपने हाथों से अलग अलग आकार बनाती है। ठक ठक ठक। What are you both doing? Asks grandfather. You are the monster, Tara and Diya yell. What monster? Asks grandfather. उनके दादाजी ऊपर आए और उन्होंने पूछा आप दोनों क्या कर रहे हो? तारा और दिया चिल्लाने लगे अरे आप राक्षस हो। तो दादाजी पूछते हैं कौन सा राक्षस? They all start start laughing and make different shadow monsters. वो सब हंसने लगते हैं और अलग-अलग परछाइयों से राक्षस बनाते हैं. I hope you all liked the story today. And we also read an interesting poem called Days of the Week. I request all of you to ask your parents which is their favorite day and ask them why. मैं आशा करती हूँ आप सब आपके पेरेंट्स से पूछेंगे कि उनका मनपसंद दिन कौन सा है और पूछना क्यों. I hope you enjoyed today's session. I will see you very soon in the next session. Till then, take care and stay safe. Bye bye.